Jump reel. Yeah, start bringing it closer. That's fine. Yeah. Where you at? Right on the back. All right, white long sleeve. You are.
Close the bail and reel. Oh, that means okay.
Alright. Oh, speaking English.
If you can tie a knot, throw that one up, grab another spinning rod and come off.
That's quick action right there. That's pretty quick. Like it.
You gotta put them out. Again, how do those look? I can't see anything down here.
It's like Team Cannon out here.
Nikki's first fish.
Slow it down.
Tiny? I thought he was going to be huge.
You gotta walk over here, you gotta follow him around, guys. Reel!
Alright, coming in, guys. Right behind that fish. Stop reeling on that. Stop reeling on that. Go put it in the rod holder on the right side. Everybody reel up and reset them. They have to be. Well, yeah. Drift them back. Schoolie's coming up. Drift them back.
He's catching fish.
Don't leave them out there. Get them in. Look at yours. Yours all blue.
That's awesome. The little guy.
Get Sticky.
Look himself. Work hard.
So blue.
Where the hell you going, huh?
Say fish on. Thought it just meant like rock on, fish on. It means something.
Fish on.
Fish on.
You like the camera, huh?
That's not bad. Just stand up and follow them around the boat and you go to one side or the other.
Come on, Gregor.
What are you doing? Look at this fish sitting down.
Ooh, what's that?
Oh, let's go, yeah? Like a tuna.
than raw, but it's still eating. You got a real one?
Yeah.
You got a real one? Close it, yeah, don't hold the line, just close the bell and go.
Hi.
Got him?
You guys got this through science, huh? Practice. But we like to say it's an art, really, because even though we do this for a living, there are plenty of times we look like complete jackasses who can't catch fish out here. That's fishing, though. Yeah. Like, look at the boat. Are we having a barbecue? All you can eat fish. Keep reeling.
There you go.
Nice.
I usually let it slide through my fingers. Nice fat one.
Hey, there we go.
Just let it slide through your fingers. Right in the corner, just like you're supposed to.
You hadn't done this before now, have you? No, man.
Hell no, man.
Another one bites dust.
Yeah, the first one was, man, that was
That was the side of the first one.
yeah, that was nice.
First,
I was doing it with my right hand earlier when I got
Well,
that.
you grabbed the left-handed reel.
Okay.
reel.
Oh, Nicky, go.
Keep reeling. Andale! Stop, now lift. Reel. Come on, Nicky. Now lift. Reel. Get a nice one on. Lift. Come on, Nicky. And when you lift, you don't reel. Reel.
Keep reeling. Don't stop reeling. Pull up.
Get that sucker
Crank down.
Reel. Smooth. I've done this before. I get all excited. What? Keep reeling. There you go. Now lift. Now slow it down. Stay up. There you go. Hope you're not sunburned.
A little bit. I don't think I feel it yet.
Come on over. Who's up?
Mike, you want to go? Michael? I caught one already.
Go ahead.
Make sure everybody gets one before.
Roll it up tight for me.
It's hard not to be all excited, isn't it? I always tell people, calm down. Pretend this is another day.
You got a birthday boy on the left.
Birthday boy!
My brother on the right. I got my brother.
Here goes from there.
Stay fishing.
Hey, get a good shot from up here.
Here, yeah, let me move this. Everybody can sit on the back of the boat.
You never three
You make videos, man? You want to do a promotional video for me?
Yeah.
Can you get in the water and videotape?
Get in the water?
Yeah. We took some guys out on a Bertram shoot, man. We had guys that had cameras like yours, but they were all waterproof.
Yeah, this one's not.
Yeah, they were jumping in the water and they were running a 60-foot Bertram, full bore past them, watching the wake, 3 foot 4 wake, swallowing these cameramen up because they were trying to get running shots from the water line, It's crazy. They're running them over. These guys would sink down and they would run them over so they could see the propellers come by.
Really?
Out,
That's
yeah,
how
we
they
were
get
out in
that
400 or
shot,
500 feet of water, dude. Out where the big sharks live.
Thanks.
You guys get in there. I'll take some pictures. I know how to use a camera. I can break a camera with the best one.